Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Hi. How are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I can hear.
So, yeah. First of all, thank you so much. Thank you for giving me a valuable time, and thank you for
Mm-mm-mm.
joining this meeting. So,
Mm-mm.
yeah, I understand that you have a ad account problem. You cannot use your card for run your campaign. Am I right?
Actually, we can recharge our accounts, but the issue is when I do the payment option, I'll give my credit debit card number and other the details and all. At the end, uh, if I wait for it, the payment method is loading, and it says like it's in process, and at the end the screenshot is saying that this is taking too long than usual. You can try to verify your card again in 10 minutes.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
the issue. Can I
Okay.
screen share you
Yeah.
that,
Sure.
sir?
Sure. You share your screen and show me. I think it's better for us.
Okay. As you can see, after completing my payment.
Okay. So you go to your ad account.
Okay, you are saying in Meta, right, sir? Meta
Yes.
apps,
Yes.
right?
Meta ads. Yes. Not here. Go to your business manager account, all tools, and go to the business settings. Yeah,
Mm,
right side, right
this.
side, business
Okay,
settings.
okay,
Yes,
okay,
this
okay,
one.
okay.
Okay. So left side is scroll down. You can see billing and payment option.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
billing
Mm,
option. So go to the left side. You can see payment method. Click here.
yes.
Okay. So here you use your Visa card on your business manager account, not your ad account. So left side you can see ad account.
This one, sir.
No, 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 no. Down, down. Visa card there and down. You can see ad account there. Yeah, there. Click here. No, no, no. Left side you can see account. Just account. Left side you can see account. Yes, there.
Accounts. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
So you can see right side ad found. Click here.
Ad fund. Okay. In which this account is the one which we actively use, sir.
Yeah, this is already active. And where do you want to
Yes.
add your payment method?
Actually, the issue is we can add payment in this, sir.
Okay.
But we can't add payment in credit or debit card. If we use UPI means like Google Pay means we can add to this.
Like you want to recover this payment, right or not?
Yes, sir. We can't use the existing payment.
Okay, okay, okay. I understand that. So,
Mm-mm.
okay, so click right side three dot. Click here.
This one, sir.
Yeah. View details.
View details.
Oh, like you try many time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your payment method is hold. So we need to like
Mm.
some time for this recovery this payment. Like 2 day or 3 day, we need you not try again. Okay, if you try, then permanently this account is hold. So we need to some time for recovery these things. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. We should
So
not try to add the
yes,
amount,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. After some day, like after 2 or 3 day, you can see like
Mm.
at found down three dot.
Mm.
Click here.
Mm.
Yeah.
View
So
history.
not click here, not click here. So
Okay.
when this option is finished, like at payment, when finished, like after 1 or 2 days, then you can see here is one another option. Then you can click, then you can see this payment is going your card. Okay. So not try now
Oh.
because you try many times, so this card is
Mm.
hold now. So need
Yeah.
some day.
Oh, this account is on hold right now. That's why we can't take away the money in it,
Yes,
right,
yes,
sir?
yes. So need some day, like 2 or 3 day, then you can easily like recover this payment. So that's things.
Okay.
Yeah, this payment method is hold now. Like Facebook is review
Mm-mm.
this payment method now. So when review section is
Mm.
done, then you can see their add payment method. This option,
Mm.
like this payment method is hold. So this option when finished, then you can recovery. Otherwise, not right now.
Okay, I just wanted to try after 3 days,
Yeah,
right?
after 3 days is enough.
Okay, after 3 days, I need to add payment method.
Yeah, you add your payment method here, like others payment method, then you can easily like recover your payment, this payment. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And the major issue I'm facing right now is this is a post which I want to boost. Right? Take it as an example.
Okay.
This is a post that I want to. Usually we do boost posts only, not do meta ads or campaign.
Okay.
If I give the ad as boost now, this one is appearing right here. And if I go select all of the things and give publish now,
Click here.
it
Yeah.
asking credit and debit card information.
You can see you can see add a payment method. So your payment card is hold now. So Facebook recommend use the another card for run this campaign.
Actually, I've used another
Yeah,
card
I understand
also.
that. So if you will use now your another card, you cannot run your campaign because this is under review. Facebook team is under review this ad account.
Our whole Facebook account is on review.
Yes. So need to
Okay.
someday like 1 or 2 days, then you can easily use your another cards. And when you can use your another cards, then you check like your first card, which card is right now is disabled, like these types of things, like hold. You cannot use this card other ad account. If you use one card, 2 or 3 ad account, then you can see your all of every ad account payment is holding. So one card for 2 account is enough, not 3, 4, 5, these types of things. Okay,
Okay,
that's the
one card
reason
for
for
one account.
yes, that's better. One for one ad account, that's better. If you run your campaign for another account, then you remove this card from there, you add from here. So one by one, that's this good for us. There are 2 account, you use same card.
Same card.
Okay, so that's why like Facebook is reviewing now, because many time these types of scamming, so that Facebook is review. So no problem. After 1 or 2 days, then you can see, and more than 3 days, you
Okay.
can see all of everything is okay.
It is going to that particular
Yeah.
card holder number.
Okay. So when you add your payment method here, okay, then many time your bank is not like give permission for run our campaign for Facebook's and cut the cost from bank. So
Okay.
before starting your campaign and add your payment method, you talk with your bank. Yes, call them and tell him I need to permission for run our campaign on Facebook. I need to
Okay.
use this account.
Bank would have blocked our account.
Yes.
So not-
So you talk with
Okay.
your bank, then you can see easily all of everything is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Done.
Yeah. If you face any types of problem, you tell me anytime, no problem. I am always here for you.
Okay. Sure,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for giving availability. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye.